channel. Today I'm going to be doing my last of the Christmas party looks. I just used the Jaclyn and Morphe palette to achieve this red smoky eye, and Jeffree Star liquid lipstick for my eyeliner and lips and highlight. JH30 with the Jaclyn palette. Pooter. Not much product on the brush there. So as my base color, I'm putting this all over my lid, almost up to my eyebrow, to that point there, and all the way out, and kind of flicking it from my outer corner. And that's going to set where the rest of my makeup's going to go and make it easier to blend out. And this is with just the base in Pooter. JH31, going in with Hunts. So with this shade, I focused it on my outer corner and my crease, but I did bring it in a little bit just to blend in, but I didn't hit the inner corners there. JH37 and Jax. JH41, Fix Plus, Jax again, JH40, and Beam. JH40 again, but I've taken all the product off the brush. I'm just gonna blend that red into the white. I don't want to pull the white any further that way. I want to bring the red into the white. I'm actually going to use this and a little bit more of Jax. And that's it for the upper lid. Brush this powder away. Going back in with the JH40 and Pooter. And Jax. JH31 and Hunts. Just hitting right in the center of my eye on the underlid. I'm going to take a little bit of Hunts up top again. Jeffree Star's Supreme Frost in Wet Dream. JH38. I'm going to use Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star as my liner. I'm using a Luxie 215 small angle brush. I'm going to do everything else off camera. I'll be right back. I did actually do a gold lip to start and hated it, so I covered it up with Celebrity Skin. I do have some super exciting news. I am now a certified cheerleading coach and will be coaching my old high school's cheerleading team. Ever since I joined cheer, I always knew that once my career as an athlete ended, I wanted to coach, and I just retired from cheerleading in the spring. Now I'm ready to coach, so it's really exciting for me to start up a program at my old high school. It's something I wish was there when I was going through school. High school was probably like the hardest years of my life. When you're on a team with a bunch of cheerleaders, you end up becoming like a family. It's a combination of a bunch of different sports, really. You lift weights because you're throwing people in the air. You are a gymnast for tumbling. You are a dancer because there's lots of dance and choreography. You're just an all-around athlete. It takes a lot of physical strength and endurance, which I was always bad at the endurance part. Definitely not good at the endurance. But a lot of people underestimate what cheerleading really is, and it's definitely developed a lot. It's a lot more intense. Oh, and I get to make the makeup look. So I'm probably going to do a couple different looks. Our colors will be black and orange, and post them on here and get my girls to vote on them. I mean, I love makeup and I love cheerleading, so why not put them together? Also, I figured out how to make my laptop a viewfinder for my camera that I'm filming on. So now I can actually see if I'm in focus and in the screen, and that's great. But if that's why I keep looking that way. I'm still trying to get used to it and figure out the placement of it all, but it definitely made filming a lot easier. Have a very merry holiday season. I love Christmas. I do. It's my favorite time of the year. Except I think I would really like Australian Christmases, because in Australia right now it's their summertime, and nothing goes better together than Christmas and heat, in my opinion. Everyone will ask for a white Christmas. The only kind of white Christmas I want is some Sauvignon Blanc to drink while I'm sitting by the fireplace. But I would love to be laying in the sun with a Santa hat on, you know, just getting a suntan. Is that too much to ask? Like, I'm freezing right now. Can you see the goosebumps? You can, yeah. Look at all my goosebumps. I'm constantly freezing. I hate it. Thanks for joining me today.